I want to be clear about something before we get into this. Obsession sounds intense, and I don't mean the unhealthy kind. I mean the kind where someone genuinely can't stop thinking about you, where you become the standard they measure everyone else against, where they find themselves wanting to be around you more than they can fully explain. That kind of pull isn't luck. It isn't looks. It's a specific set of behaviors that trigger something deep in the human brain. Here are 11 ways to make someone genuinely obsessed with you. 1. Be fully present every single time. Me being half in my phone during conversations used to be my default, and I never understood why people didn't seem more drawn to me. Full presence is one of the rarest things a person can offer. When you put everything down and actually show up, eyes locked in, phone gone, completely there, people feel it in a way they can't explain. And things they can't explain stay with them far longer. 2. Leave every interaction slightly early. End it while it's good. Always. The brain obsesses over unfinished things. It's called the Zeigarnik effect. Incomplete experiences stay active in the mind far longer than completed ones. When you leave while the energy is still high, you become the unfinished thought they keep coming back to. 3. Have a life they can't fully access. Passions, goals, friends, a whole world that exists independently of you. People obsess over what they can't fully have, not because you're withholding, but because you're genuinely full. A person with a rich inner life is endlessly more interesting than someone whose entire world revolves around the relationship. 4. Remember the small things they say. When you bring up something small they mentioned in passing, weeks later, casually, something shifts in how they see you. It tells them their words mattered enough to stay with you, that they are someone worth paying attention to. And being truly seen by another human being is one of the most powerful emotional experiences a human being can have. 5. Be unpredictable in small ways. Not unreliable, unpredictable. Surprise them with something thoughtful. Show a side of yourself they didn't expect. React differently than they anticipated. The brain releases dopamine in response to unexpected rewards, and dopamine is essentially the obsession chemical. Small, genuine surprises keep them coming back for more without knowing why. 6. Take care of how you show up. Here's something most people underestimate completely. One thing people don't realize is how much your physical presentation affects attraction at a subconscious level. Before you've even said a word, their brain has already formed an impression, and your face is one of the first things people register about you, whether they realize it or not. It's not about looking perfect, it's about not looking neglected. Most people think their skin issues are permanent when really they're just inconsistent. The problem usually isn't effort. It's never having a simple system you can actually follow every day without overthinking what to use or how products should work together. That's why I like Teach Hanley. It's a simple skincare system designed to work as a set so everything already fits together instead of relying on random products that don't. In the morning, there's a face wash to clear oil and buildup, followed by an AM moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin throughout the day. At night, it's the face wash again plus the PM moisturizer, which works overnight to keep your skin looking healthier and more even. And honestly, if you're not using SPF during summer, just look at the truck driver skin damage photo where one side of his face aged dramatically more from sun exposure than the other. That alone tells you how important it is. It's simple, consistent, and that's what actually changes how you look over time. Because your face doesn't change from intention, it changes from what you repeat every day. Click the link below for 40% off your first box, plus a free gift worth over $20. Upgrade your skin now, stop using random products. Now, back to it. 7. Give genuine compliments nobody else gives. Not "you look nice." Specific, observed, unexpected. The way you explain things makes everyone around you feel smarter. That kind of compliment doesn't fade in 4 seconds. It stays because it tells them you actually pay attention. And attention is the foundation of obsession. 8. Be comfortable disagreeing. Agree with everything and you become invisible. People obsess over those who have a real perspective, who push back calmly, who hold their ground without making it a fight. That confidence of conviction is rare enough that when someone has it, people find themselves drawn back to it again and again. 9. Make them feel like the interesting one. Ask the questions nobody asks. Listen like what they say actually matters. Make them feel like the most compelling person in the room. People don't obsess over whoever impressed them most. They obsess over whoever made them feel most alive. And nothing makes a person feel more alive than being genuinely, deeply heard. 10. Show up consistently without being predictable. Reliability is attractive, monotony isn't. Be someone they can count on, but keep surprising them within that consistency. Reliable in character, unpredictable in expression. That combination creates the exact kind of safe excitement that the brain finds impossible to stop thinking about. 11. Walk away from things that don't serve you. This last one is the one that changes everything. When someone watches you walk away from situations, people, or habits that aren't good for you, without drama, without hesitation, it signals something that almost nothing else can. That you actually value yourself, that your standards are real, that you are not someone who stays somewhere just because leaving feels hard. And a person who values themselves is someone others desperately want to be valued by. Subscribe. More of this every week.